How to add products to basket in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it to cart or basket. First of all, go to the website name sephora.com. Now, this interface will pop up. Now, we can choose the product that you want to add to your cart. So here, I'm tapping on one product. So it will take some time. Now, these are the detail page of this product. Here, you'll be able to see every product details. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's an option called Add to Basket and Get It Shipped. Simply choose the quantity and tap on Add to Basket. So it has been added to your basket. Now, if you go to your basket, you'll be able to view the products that you want to purchase for later. Now, you can buy it and later check out too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.